The dot product can also be used to characterize a plane in the 3D space. Suppose we have a plane in the 3D space, we can characterize it using a point on the plane and the direction perpendicular to the plane. If we have 2 points on the plane, then the vector from one point to the other point is perpendicular to our fixed direction here. Remember that 2 vectors are perpendicular to each other if and only if their dot product is equal to 0. So if we have this fixed vector and this fixed point, the plane through the fixed point and perpendicular to the fixed direction is characterized by the equation that the dot product between vector n and the difference vector is equal to 0. We can expand this expression using the definition of the dot product, and the result is a linear equation. Ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. Here the vector ABC is the vector perpendicular to our plane. It is called a normal vector of the plane. Now let's do an exercise. Suppose we have a plane passing through 1, 0, 2 and perpendicular to the vector 2, negative 1, 1. And we want to find the equation of the plane. To do that, remember that the equation must be a linear equation. And here, ABC is a normal vector, and it can be the 2, negative 1, 1 here. Let A be 2, B be negative 1, and C be 1. And because it passed through 1, 0, 2, we can also plug in x equals 1, y equals 0, and z equals 2. And the dot product is equal to 4. And here, then we have d is equal to 4. So the equation is 2x minus y plus z is equal to 4. One way to develop your geometric intuition is to play with your 3D graphical calculator Desmos. Click the link above and input the equation for a graphical output.